Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a trip down memory lane with a look at a truly unique smartphone, the BlackBerry Passport. This phone isn't brand new, but its quirky design and focus on productivity still spark curiosity. Is it a relic of the past, or does it hold any relevance in 2024? Let's find out. The first thing you'll notice about the Passport is its unconventional square shape and physical keyboard. This isn't your average touchscreen slab. It's designed for those who value tactile feedback and efficient typing. The 4.5-inch square screen, protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 3, boasts a unique 1440 by 1440 resolution, making it ideal for viewing documents and spreadsheets. While it might not be the best for media consumption, the display is surprisingly sharp and vibrant. Under the hood, this Passport packs a Qualcomm Snapdragon 801 processor clocked at 2.2 GHz, paired with 3 GB of RAM. Now, these specs aren't going to blow anyone away in 2024, but they were respectable for its time. The phone runs BlackBerry 10 OS, which is a different experience altogether. It's focused on multitasking and security, with features like the BlackBerry Hub, which centralizes all your communications. Keep in mind, the app ecosystem is limited compared to Android or iOS. The Passport comes with 32 GB of internal storage, expandable up to 128 GB via microSD card, which is a welcome addition. For photography, you get a 13-megapixel rear camera with optical image stabilization and a 2-megapixel front-facing camera. Image quality is decent for its age, but don't expect flagship-level performance. One crucial aspect to consider is network compatibility. This particular model is an international, unlocked GSM version. This means it's compatible with GSM carriers like AT&T and T-Mobile, but it won't work on CDMA networks like Verizon or Sprint. Be sure to check your carrier compatibility before purchasing. So, who is this phone for in 2024? It's certainly a niche device. If you're nostalgic for physical keyboards, prioritize productivity and security, and appreciate a unique design, the BlackBerry Passport might intrigue you. It's a conversation starter, a throwback to a different era of smartphones. However, if you're a heavy app user, prioritize media consumption, or need the latest and greatest features, this phone probably isn't for you. The BlackBerry Passport is a fascinating piece of mobile history. It's a reminder that smartphones don't always have to follow the same formula. While it's not for everyone, it offers a distinct experience that might appeal to a select few. Let me know in the comments what you think about the BlackBerry Passport. Would you use one in 2024?
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.